Hello and welcome to our video on Forex Prop Trading Firms with supportive communities. If you're a trader looking to start your journey in the world of Forex, or you're already trading and want to explore new opportunities, then this video is for you. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the world of Forex Prop Trading Firms, their benefits, and how they offer traders a supportive community to collaborate, share knowledge and insights. Let's get started. Forex Prop Trading Firms are companies that provide traders with an opportunity to trade the financial markets using the firm's capital. These firms offer traders access to professional trading tools, technology and infrastructure that can help them to execute their trading strategies effectively. Moreover, Forex Prop Trading Firms offer traders a supportive community where traders can collaborate, share knowledge and insights. So why trade with a Forex Prop Trading Firm? The answer is simple. Forex Prop Trading Firms offer traders access to capital that they would not have had access to otherwise. Traders can trade with larger positions and take on more significant risks, which can lead to higher potential profits. Moreover, Forex Prop Trading Firms provide traders with professional trading tools, technology and infrastructure that can help them to execute their trading strategies effectively. One of the most significant benefits of trading with a Forex Prop Trading Firm is the supportive community of traders. Forex Prop Trading Firms create an environment where traders can collaborate, share knowledge and insights. Traders can discuss their trading strategies, get feedback from other traders, and learn from each other's successes and failures. Moreover, Forex Prop Trading Firms offer traders a range of resources such as educational materials, webinars, and mentorship programs to help them develop their skills and become better traders. This supportive community of traders can help traders to overcome the challenges of trading, increase their knowledge and confidence, and ultimately become successful traders. And that's it for our video on Forex Prop Trading Firms with supportive communities. We hope you found this video informative and useful. In summary, Forex Prop Trading Firms offer traders access to capital, professional trading tools, technology and infrastructure, and a supportive community of traders. These benefits can help traders to execute their trading strategies effectively, develop their skills and ultimately become successful traders. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on trading and investing.